afternoon all. Hope every hang on, camera slipped. That's better. Good afternoon all. Hope everybody is well. Hope everybody's having a great Sunday. Nice and sunny here today. Been out and washed the car. Had a little bit of a play with a few bits. I am totally unprepared today at all. I didn't realise what the time was, so I haven't even got the blank ready to go on the lathe. So we're going to start from scratch today. So I do apologise for that. So welcome to everybody who's come over. This will be our last live before Christmas, or last Sunday live before Christmas. So hopefully with the new rules and regulations coming in place, you still all have a really good Christmas. So what we're going to do today, as it's been a bit of a rubbish year, I thought we'd do something to say goodbye to 2020 and hello 2021. So what we'll do is we'll do this over two lives, sorry. So we get to a stage where we can get the resin poured today, and then we'll finish it off on the next live. So that's the plan. Hello, that's my phone. Let me turn my phone off. No, that's in the other room. So Nick will turn my phone on silent. So we're going to do that. So I've got a blank here, 8 1/4 inches across, just over 2 inches wide.
Real inches?
Yeah, real inches, definitely real inches because I measured them. It's got a nasty knot in here, so I'm going to use this part as my bottom. So I'm going to drill my.
Still the bottom.
She's off already, and she didn't even touch the alcohol yet.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put my forcing a hole in this side, so hopefully we can turn that nasty knot away to give us a nice, or get rid of it basically, because we don't want it. So while I drill this out, I'm gonna put it on the. I'm gonna mark it, put it on the drill this out. While I'm doing this, Nick will shout out who's in the chat and welcome you all in. People reckon these don't last very long. I bought these at Maker Central last year, and still loads in there. The only one
They weren't last year.
Oh no, the year that was last year.
Oh yeah, last year. Sorry, yeah.
The only one I'm getting low on is the silver, which I use quite a bit of, and the gold. But I have done loads and loads of projects with those, so they do last absolutely ages. So this is the bronze, so I'm going to put
Right. that resin right now.
40, I don't know what that is in. That's only about 5 in it, 10 if that.
Tommy said is that 2 or 3 Celsius.
So I've taken this up to 50 psi. We'll leave that for a few minutes, and if that
Neil
drops
said, lovely job, Steve.
Give it another boost.
Ruby said she thinks it looks as good as it is without colour on the letters.
Yeah, I should have sanded and sealed the letters really, but right. So we'll leave that going. Obviously, you can't do no more to that now. So we'll have to call that it for this one, unfortunately. But like I say, we'll let that go off. Leave that today. And then I may finish that off on Thursday dinner time, to be honest. So that'll be a quick little live on Thursday, just to get that finished, and then hopefully get rid of 2020, bring back 2021, or bring in 2021. Good year, new start, new year, new start. It should be nice. Right, so there we go. It's all polished up. Also, I'm just going to dry my hands because they're all sticky before I touch it, so we don't get marks all over the resin.
Yeah, you don't want meat all over the resin.
We don't want mark all over the resin. So let's get it out and have a butcher's at it. Still a few little score marks in that resin I want polishing up, but I'll finish it off after. So let's get camera up. So there we go. Get my fingers out of the way.
That's
Very
awesome.
smart.
So as you can see, the actual letters are sort of floating in the. They look like they're floating in the resin. So very nice. I like that. Turned out nice.
Nice one.
Could do with a little bit more polish. I think what I'll do is after the live, I'll just put another coat of microfiche in, let it soak in properly, and give it a proper buff up. And hopefully that should look a little bit better. But other than that, I like. So there you go, guys. New year, new beginnings, which is what we all need. I think this year for sure.
Yeah.
So, like I say, the letters were bought from eBay. I think they're about £4 or £5, and you get absolutely loads of them. You get a whole. I've done 2 bowls now with them, so obviously you only get a certain amount of each. So, what we want to do was goodbye 2020, hello, or hello 2021, but we didn't have enough numbers. So, but actually, I think that's actually come out better. New year, new beginnings. I think that's come out a lot better. So, let's stick it on here and put it on overhead. Don't know if you'll see it better. Is that better?
There we
That
go.
works.
So looks nice. I like that. I should have coloured the letters, really, shouldn't I? Or do you think that would look tacky if I had coloured the letters?
No. I think that
That's
looks
nice.
grand as it is.
Yeah. That works.
So, like I said the other day, it'll be a bit of a go. Right, so what I'm going to do is, because one of my mates had a bit of a rough year, I'm going to give this to Mark. I'm going to send this to Mark.
Oh, bless. No, mate, thank you.
Because you've had a bit of a rough... I know, because you've had a bit of a rough year, I thought, you know, new year, new beginnings. So I'm going to ship it over to you, mate.
Thank you.
You're more than welcome. We need to put a smile back on your face.